She hit me with that Jackie Chan. Sweet, sweet, swash, swash.
Today we're going to do a boot stand. Yep, and that's the reason. So that's what we'll be using, the rolls which you get from the gift at the end of gift wraps. You can put it in just like that, but boring. Let's make this more fun. That's another option if you're lazy, but let's vamp this up. So the reason is, you don't want your boots to get bad, like creasing when you keep your boots. And this is winter season, so we'll be using this, the end of the roll, aluminium foil. Yep, aluminium foil. And this is cotton. I'm not sure the name, I'll tell you at the end. I'm trying to show you. So I used it before. It's what you use for stuffing, and that's what it looks like. A bit of SMR noise. And rolls, tape, duct tape you can call it. And these are what you get at the on juice bottles, containers when you open them. So the covers. So let's start off. We are going to wrap the gift rolls with aluminium foil. Leaving the noise for those who might like it. You might mute it if you don't like this noise. So I stuff it a little piece into the roll, the end of the roll, and keep a bit out so it forms the shape of a boot, and just squeeze it to form the shape. And to increase the length and the size, wrap more aluminium foil in it. I put it from the bottom, then take it up so it can form a flat surface at the bottom. And add in some more, but this time a little also towards the top to secure it. As I said, this is to form the boot shape. And just press it down to give the shape of the boot and for it to stand. And there, voila. So now what I'll do is I'll use this roll to wrap it around to cushion the aluminium foil and also to give volume to the roll. So let's hesitate this or what? Put it on fast forward. So that's how we do it. It's a fairly easy project. You just wrap it around. And you don't need much of this. That's the beauty of this project. So just wrapping it around. What do you call it? Mummifying it. A mummy leg. When you get to the bottom, you can always tuck in the top into the roll. And the good thing is it sticks together or holds together the material. So now we use the duct tape. I first start like this to form the shape of the boot and the standing position. I think this is the best way to start off. And that's the top of the juice thing. So if you guess, that's what I use it for. Put some tape to at the top of it to secure it, and the ring part, you place it facing up. And did you guess why I'm using it? Yep, so that you can always hang it when it's not in your boot. So it's like a hanger. That's why. So a closer look. And that's the ring, like that. So let's get back. So for this project, what you basically want to do is just cover now the cotton. Just getting that part so I can bend it in. And you just do the same thing. Cover every part of the cotton that is picking out. This will also make it last longer because the duct tape is, all I say, water resistant, waterproof, and it prevent the cotton from shredding. So yes, just mummified too. And the technique is pull the tape before you start wrapping. So when you wrap, you pull, wrap and pull. For the other boot, I didn't use the mummifying method because I think it was a bit tedious because of that. Sometimes it can get tangled, even though it didn't tangle a lot. For the other boot, I just did longitudinal. So pull, yes, that's the method. Through, then pull. And to pull, remember you have to hold the tape, not the boot, so it doesn't squeeze the boot. And when you're turning it around, also remember not to squeeze it a lot. That's just a little tip. And there, done. So let's try it now and see. Yep, see, it stands. So if you want to make it look chic, you can use ribbon. I decided to use the teal one. It's Decorative Ribbon. I got this from the 99-cent store. It's there now because it's around the Christmas period. So yes, that's what we're trying to prevent. Because I lost some boots, they got bad because I didn't have a boot stand. So that's how I came about this idea. Instead of purchasing boot stands, why not make one? So the ribbon, cut a bit, enough to form a bow. That's what I'm trying to do, if you haven't figured. So using the loop out there, I'll just make a bow, a ribbon. Tie it as you normally will tie your shoelace. Then the longer end, you just put it through the loop and out. And the good thing is this ribbon has wire, so it makes it very easy to form a bow. And you just pull, and that's it. And you can spread now the ribbon to have more volume and look bigger and prettier. You can always use a different color bow or ribbon, and also different color duct tape, but this is the one I chose. And enjoy. Very easy project. Try it out and let me know how yours comes out. Showing you how it looks. And with boot season, you know, and Christmas around the corner, keep your inner part of the gift wrap so you can try it out. See, squishy. That's the beauty about putting the foam or cotton around it for those boots that have wider in the calf area. And I remember the aluminum foil is to give it the front boot shape so that your boots don't get squished at the top. So try it out, and you can use a different duct tape as I said, and there you can hang it like that if you're not using it. So I hope you enjoyed this project and it inspired you to go and try making one instead of purchasing one. DIY, recycle, reuse, recycle, reduce. Enjoy, have fun.
I hit her with the yes I can. Real quick right back. I know what I'm gonna do. New wig, brand new. Take a like.